Hello! Now, after the driest spring on record and a succession of summer heat waves which have scorched all the plants and dried the ground out, we're in desperate need of some rain. So I've been helping that process along by doing some dancing. And I think my dancing has really helped, because at long last, it's rained. And because it's rained, it's cooler. And on the allotment here today, it's nice and cool, it's overcast, and it's the perfect day to do some of those jobs that I've been delaying because it's just been too hot. I'm Gang Gang. Welcome to the channel, Gang Gang and Peanut, 2 peas in a soggy pod. Now, one of the jobs I'm going to be doing today, because it's cool, is I'm going to be extending this fence line. It's a fence that separates my plot from my neighbour's plot. And as you can see, my neighbour's plot is getting somewhat overgrown and neglected, which is a shame because it's a really, really nice plot. However, the fella that runs it and owns the plot is a really nice guy, and I'm sure he will catch up at some point, probably in time for next season. However, I am going to finish making some of this fence today because it's the perfect day to do it. Now, to make that fence over there, I'm going to be using a pallet, and not one of the naughty pallets, and I'm also going to be using some of these posts that are sharpened at one end. They're about 6 foot tall, and I will drive them in using one of these. Let me show you. This heavy old thing is a post driver, and believe me, it's a tough job banging these posts in with one of these. And because it's nice and cool today, and it's a job that I've been putting off for weeks, today's the day to do it. So let's go. So I've placed the pallet around about where I think it's going to need to go. I've got the post positioned, and now I need to bang it in. Let me do that. So using these decking screws, I'm going to join these 2 pallets or on our fences together, and that should hold it all in place. Excellent. Let me go and do that. So I fixed the end. Now I'm going to fix the pallet to the post, again using these screws. These are just decking screws. So there we are. Bosh, bosh. Solid. So that's the post in, the pallet attached, and now I've got a piece of fence. It's going to need painting, but that's a job for another day. The next thing I have to do today is get some wood chip laid. Let me show you. So I suppose, like everybody that's got an allotment, I have an area where I keep my treasure, which is actually just junk that we think one day that's going to come in handy. Problem is, the day never seems to arrive, does it? So the area, I've cleared it, and I'm going to put down some wood chip. And I quite like putting the wood chip down. I find it very therapeutic, and it's quite labour intensive sometimes. And where it's a lot cooler today, this is the ideal day to lay the wood chip. So let's get on with that. So that's the wood chip down in this area, and it's lovely and soft. I think I might just lay here for a while and have a snooze. I'll catch up with you in a while. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is one of my favourite things, it's actually planting some plants. And the one I'm going to plant today is this one. This is a poor, neglected plant in this tiny pot that's been lost at the back of my greenhouse at home. And it's called a patty-pan squash, if you can see that. Unusual looking squash plant. So I'm not going to treat it badly anymore. I'm going to find a spot here on the plot. I'm going to plant it in, and hopefully it will take off and grow into a really nice plant. So let's get on with that. Let me try and find a spot for it. And I'll probably plant it somewhere over here by the pumpkin. Let's do it. Now this looks like it could be a good spot in here by this pumpkin plant, which seems to be taking over everything. So I'm going to dig a hole, pop it in, and hopefully it will thrive in here. If I can get it out of the pot without damaging it. Let's pop it in there. I think I'll have it growing over this way initially. And we'll see if it revives and recovers. There. The patty-pan squash. I'll give that a good watering. I shall trim back some of this foliage that's dying off. And maybe it needs some support of some kind. These can all be removed because they're just dead. And I feel terrible for not treating it properly, but hey, I'm doing my best for it now. Let me finish this off. So that's a few jobs that I've been doing today on the plot, because it's now a lot cooler after all this rain we've had. It's overcast here, there's a lovely breeze that's blowing, and I think I'm just going to potter around for another hour or so. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you've enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up or leave a comment. I love getting the comments. Or maybe consider clicking on the subscribe button and come along and join the channel. I'm Gang Gang. This is Gang Gang and Peanuts. 2 peas in a pod. And as ever, until next time, take care.